going to be a great day.
I'm proud. I'm very proud of my son.
Kind of nervous. It's like once in a lifetime kind of thing.
It makes me feel accomplished and excited.
And this is creating wonderful memories.
I really believe in the program. I believe in the students. It was just blink of an eye. It was all starting school, and now we're here now, so I'm definitely proud of all of them.
You know, this is a wonderful day, very excited.
We are so proud of him. He kills it in the kitchen.
He cooked up a storm, and I was a taste tester, so everything tasted good.
Very happy, and it's the day, right?
We have so many students that have come to work with us at Girl and the Goat and Cabra here in Los Angeles, so I'm just excited to be part of this today.
It's exciting. I mean, people are starting their new journey here today, and it's a big stepping stone in everybody's lives.
It's my pleasure to welcome you here this evening.
You are graduating from the Institute of Culinary Education. That means when it comes to food, taste, diet, and restaurants, you have more knowledge and influence than most of the people you know, and no doubt that knowledge and influence will grow.
The way you leave a legacy in this industry is by producing and preparing the next generation of professionals to follow you and deciding what you want this culture to be.
As we venture forth into the professional culinary world, we must remember that we have the power to make a difference. Our skills go beyond creating exquisite dishes. We have the ability to bring people together, to create unforgettable experiences, and to nourish.
It's an honor to welcome to the podium Chef Stephanie Izard.
People in the culinary industry love to share their ideas, but I'm always open-minded to take in new ways to do things so we can continue to get better. This is from a song I was listening to in my car on the way here. Do what you love, but call it work.
To our graduates, I hope that you remember that while you're no longer our students, our relationship with you continues.
We had more programs graduating than we've ever had before. It's not just culinary arts and pastry. We added to it health-supported culinary arts and culinary management diploma, culinary arts and food operations. There were so many different programs. I'm so proud of all of them.
Like Chef George used to say, you cook with your heart, and that's what I'm doing.
I'm feeling very proud. She did it.
I hope that they will find their own definition of success, whether that is running a food truck or working in a 3 Michelin star restaurant. It's what they define for themselves makes me the most excited.
Find your culinary voice.